Okay, so we are here at a kitchen revamp. It's very exciting because I think what I'm most excited about with this reno is this kitchen is actually staying the same and the cabinetry is in good nick. It's great. So it's a perfect kitchen for the Dulux Reno range.
It is, and it's great because it's got a primer that you can go on these plastic vinyl surfaces.
Which surprises me. Like, I didn't think that there was a product out there that you could actually put on top of vinyl.
Right, that sticks. It'll be a really good refresh and some brand new appliances are going to look stunning in
It's
here.
like a little kitchen glow up.
It is.
Let me show you how it's done.
I think the biggest transformation of this kitchen is actually going to be the flooring, the stone, and the tile splashback. So the flooring is literally vinyl flooring. There's another type of vinyl flooring under there. The vision for this kitchen revamp is a French country feel with a soft palette bringing in textures like timber and beautiful natural stone. So as you can see, we've got a lot to do, but it is exciting.
Get ready now. Get ready now. Get ready now. It's a brand new day.
We're in full swing of this kitchen renovation. Now, the beautiful wood-cut flooring, we went with the French collection called Buff. It's all been covered up so we can motor along at speed. To transform this kitchen space, we're using the Dulux renovation range to completely change the color of all the cabinets. It's super simple. Let me tell you how we're doing it. The cabinets in this kitchen are an MDF base with a vinyl front. So we had to go and first inspect the vinyl to see if it was all intact, and we discovered a few of the cabinets had peeling vinyl on them. So what we did with those ones is we had to delaminate them and bring them back to the raw MDF. Now this is something your painter can do, but I assure you it's also something you can DIY yourself if you like. So once you're back to this base here, the MDF, two-step process. First off, you will go with this Precision from Dulux. That's the primer for the MDF. Now, once that's dried, you go straight into the top coat here, the Dulux renovation range. And for the kitchen cabinets that were intact, the vinyl was in shape, we also have a two-step process. It's going with the traditional Dulux renovation range primer, and then straight onto the Dulux renovation range top coat. So we're now at the midway point of this kitchen transformation. The primer has gone on here. We are about to transform all the cabinets with the power of paint. Then following that, we will have the bench top, the appliances, the tapware, everything going in to pull it all together.
So the project's in full swing for this kitchen transformation and the stone's been installed now, and I love the profile you've done. It's something different. This is the Signorino Rose Quartz.
It's like a double bull note, classic traditional style to it as well. It's just beautiful, I love it.
One of the biggest changes in the kitchen is changing over the old cooktop and oven, and we've chosen this beautiful full Milano cooktop.
And then tell me, are these?
So these are little details that you can change and put on. So this comes down here and just adds a little bit of an accent to the cooker. And then these little plates, and our plumbers will do this, take off these little collars and adds another bit of detail up here. So you've got your brass down the below, up where the knobs are, and also on top of the cooker as well.
And so with this style of kitchen, it was a no-brainer that we went with a Farmhouse butler's sink.
And I really like this Yabby tap. This is a dual function tap. So you've got your veggie spray, which I really love, especially for cleaning out the bowl. So instead of that single stream that comes down, it's like a shower spray. And it's a bit of a high pressure.
Some crannies.
Absolutely, and even for your pots and cooking and washing, it's a high pressure spray.
Previously we had the same type of splashback here, which was more of a peachy colour. Didn't really go with the new look that we're going for, so we've just kept it really nice and traditional in these bone taupey kind of colours.
So once the tilers are finished today, we're going to do some grouting, we'll do some caulking, which will just tie everything together. And Bon and Lou are going to come in and work their magic with some styling.
Can I just say, is it not Christmas when you've got that many trays on site?
No.
It's not, it's my kind of Christmas, but I love it.
Tray cadence.
Tick, 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 tick.
Open up your eyes and tell me what you see. Know you like my style. So fresh and clean. Being superstar, yeah, I'm riding to the beat. Everybody say, yeah. Are you ready for a brand new day?
record, I absolutely love how this kitchen revamp has turned out. It has blown my mind, I'll be honest.
It's got a beautiful French country feel, doesn't it?
It's got a gorgeous feel. And, you know, the key thing with this one was that this kitchen was bang smack in the middle of the property.
Yeah.
So we had to work with that to bring it into the modern day, but retain that country kind of French feel, which I think has been done.
My favourite part is probably this. We've added this beautiful butcher's block to the room, and because we didn't really have space for an island bench because of the width of the room.
So if you want to transform your kitchen space, like we have here, you're going to keep all of your cabinetry where it is. There's 3 main things to consider: paint, stone, and styling. I think with the beautiful Spanish olive here, that set the tone for where we were going to go with the bench top, where we're going to go with the tiles.
Yep.
You kind of see the yellows coming out here.
So because the oven is such a feature, we've decided to create a seamless finish here with the integrated fridge. And because this Artusi fridge has French doors, it goes perfectly with our French country kitchen.
So the sink here is in the spot it was before, but previously we had an old traditional stainless steel above counter kind of sink. So we did have to modify the cabinets beneath here to stick with the same look and feel of the rest of the kitchen. And one huge tip I've got to share with you guys: if you find out that you have spare stone, voila, a beautiful dining table made out of the same stone. Now this was literally offcuts that we had. So definitely ask your builder if you've got any offcuts. I mean, they may be small, they may be enough for a chopping board, for example, or you might have a little side table that you want to put a stone bench top on, and it will then bring that space into your kitchen space. So always ask if there is stone left over on the slabs that you purchased. Now this kitchen revamp is a great example of the power of paint using the Dulux renovation range.
And they say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and I think this kitchen now really is.